Hi students, very good morning to one and all. In my last class, I have discussed linear inequalities. In that, I have discussed definition of linear inequalities and rules of inequalities and some of examples on rules and one example from first exercise, that is 6.1. Let us come to now continuous part from the 6.1 exercise. I'm moving to next question, that is now I'm moving to next question, that is second question from the 6.1 exercise only. Solve minus 12x is less than 30 when first one in this x is a natural number. X is a natural number. Second one, x is an integer. As we know that when we are going to solve such a problem or examples, we have to know that first of all rules. The first one rules you know already. I will repeat again here. Equal numbers may be added or subtracted from both sides of the inequality. Both sides of the inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. You know. Then the second, both sides we can multiply or divide by a positive number. Then also the sign of inequality will not changes, will not affect. When we are going to divide or multiply it by a negative number on both sides of the inequality, then the sign of inequality is reversed. This is very important. And what is the procedure of, what is the condition of here for finding the x value here? The x term is, the x coefficient is here, minus 12 is there. When we will get the value of x values here means when we are going to simplify up to getting the coefficient of x is positive 1. Up to getting the coefficient of x is positive 1, we have to simplify the given inequality statement by the help of those two rules. Okay, let us come to here solution. Yes, I will write here given question directly here, that is given minus 12x is greater than 30 is there. Here the given question is minus 12x is more than 30 is there. Yes, now simplify up to getting x coefficient is positive 1 by the help of two rules. Okay, let's see here on both sides of the given inequality, I will divide by negative 12. On both sides, divide by minus 12. We get minus 12. minus 12 x divided by minus 12, 30 divided by minus 12. Please recall the rule of second one. When we are multiplied or divide by negative value of the given inequality, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. This is the main point here. Here, before dividing the negative value to this given statement, the sign of inequality is this side is there, the amount is this side is there, means the minus 12 is more than 30 is there. When we are dividing by minus term to this given statement, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. Very important point this one. This step is very important because by rule second one we have to remember this second rule, that is when we are going to divide or multiply by negative value of the given statement, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. Okay, now simplify. Minus get cancel, 12 and 12 will be going, and what left here you have to write, that is x. And again here also you can go with 4 table or 6 table, otherwise 6 table will be going. 6 2 ja, next 6 5 ja. Getting my point? Okay, what left here we have to write, that is minus 5 by 12. This is the last step of the, after this one we can't do the simplify. This is the least simplification of the given linear inequality statement. By the help of, now see this, what is the coefficient of x is now? Positive one is came now. Okay, stop simplification. Okay, now write the values of x. Then I will write, I am coming to the next first one question in this, that is when x is a natural number, then the values of x are, then the values of x are, what will come here? 0. You can't see the negative value in, you can't see the negative value in the set of natural numbers. Yes or no? Is 0 or 0 you can also write. Yes, getting my point? Otherwise, null set will be coming here. The values of x is 0 will be coming because we can't see the negative values in set of natural number. We have to know the knowledge about the natural number. The natural number will be started from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. I know that. I hope that all of you know this one. So that's why I am writing here. When x is a natural number, then the values of x are here. The values of x is here 0. So that's why I am going to write the solution set of given inequality. Inequalities empty set. This is for the first question. X is a natural number. Now come to the next one for the second one. When x is an integer, then the values of integer. Which type of numbers we can see in the integers? See the statement. The value of x is less than minus 5 by 2. So when you simplify this to 5, you will be getting minus 2. So the values of this will be coming minus 4, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Getting my point? 2.5 will be coming here. The 2.5 is not present in the set of integer. Please, you have to know that the values of the knowledge of the numbers. Then only we can understand this problem. Getting my point? SR of S, the values of 2.5, and this also will not come. 2.5 is there, no, it will not come. Sorry. That after simplification this value will be coming minus 2.5 will be coming. So minus 2.5 not present in the set of integer. We can see the whole numbers, means complete number we can see in the set of integers. The set of integers will be including the numbers 0, all negative counting numbers and all natural numbers will be present in the set of integers. Therefore, the solution set of the given inequality, that is so on minus 5 also you can write before this minus 2.5, which are will be negative numbers are there, no? Those are the required solutions of the x here. I hope that all of you getting this one. I will repeat again this one. I will explain again to you. See here. What is the given question? Solve minus 12x is more than 30 where x is a natural number and x is an integer. Okay. By the help of rules of inequalities, we have to simplify this one up to getting the coefficient of positive 1. Positive 1, yes, it gives positive 1. So for removing the minus 12 from the left side of the given inequality, I am using here second rule. The second rule means that is I am dividing this statement on both sides divided by minus 12. Then the sign of inequality will be reversed by, as we know that, by the rule of second rule. Read properly the second rule, then you will get it. When we are dividing by negative values or when we multiply this given statement by negative values, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. Getting my point? As minus 12 will be going left x here, and here 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. So left here minus 5 by 2. Then the given here question, x is a natural number. By seeing directly these values in negative, we can say that here there is no solutions for this given inequality statement. For this given inequality statement. Getting my point? So that's why I wrote here simply where x is a natural number, then the values of x are 0 because there is no solutions. There is no values for the x if negative values are means x is natural number. Keep in mind the natural numbers are always starting from positive 1, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 up to infinity. You can't see the negative values in the set of natural number. Getting my point? Next, x is an integer. In integer we can see that 0 values, negative all counting numbers and positive all counting numbers we can see in the set of integers. So then obviously we will have the values of x here those are, I wrote here, those are, when we simplify this one, that is minus 5 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, point take 0 will be coming here, it is become 10, 10 5 ja 10. This value will be coming minus 2.5 will be coming. When you are going to see the number line, 0 it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, so on will be coming minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on will be minus infinity will be coming here, up to so on cos infinity will be coming here. 2.5 is present in this point, minus 2.5, but less than minus 2.5 how to take the x values. Which one is the less than 2.5 values? That is 3 is there. Minus 3 is there. That's why I am taking here the values of x are, so on means minus 5 up to minus infinity. We can take, just I wrote here only two values. So on means still are there here. Left side has many values are there, x values. Okay, minus 2 comma minus 3. So if I took here 2.5 minus 2.5 values, these like numbers you can't see in the set of integers. Keep in mind, this is very important point. Minus 2.5 is not present in the set of integer. In integer set we can see only the all counting numbers 0 and all negatives counting numbers. Getting my point? That's why I am taking the solutions of x are here. So are minus 4, minus 3, last it is. This only I am writing in the solution set of inequality. In this way you can write the solution set of the given question second one. I hope that all of you getting this one. So I am moving the next question from the exercise 6.2. Okay. Come to next question. Third question. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 7 when type of question is when x is an integer, second one x is a real number, Yes. Please recall the definition of real number. Without knowing the set of real number, we can't understand this question. Okay. Again, recall the rules of the inequalities and what is the procedure of solving this problem. On LHS side they given two terms, on LHS side they gave only one terms. If this means, in this form means, what is the procedure of solving this one? First of all, constant term we have to disappear from the both sides by using the rules. Means we have to delete, means remove the negative 3 from left side, means LHS side of the given inequality. Then try to get in the coefficient of x is positive 1. Okay, let us come to solution. That is, I will write the given one. First of all, 4x minus 3 is less than 7. Now I am going to remove the values of minus 3 from the LHS side. Okay. So what we have to do here? We have to do here, add both side by add both sides by 3. This is by first rule. Okay, 5x minus 3 plus 3 means add both sides by 3 is less than, then the sign of inequality will not changes, not alter, without affecting, will not affect. Okay, 7 plus 3 by rule first one. Okay. Next, simplify this one. Minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So left what here? 5x and 7 plus 3 is 10. Again we want getting the coefficient of x is positive. The coefficient of x is positive, 5 is there. So again remove this 5 by using the second rule. Divide both sides by positive 5. Then we will get the coefficient of x is positive 1. Then we can write the values of x. Okay. Now next, again divide both sides by 5. We get that is 5x by 5. When we are dividing by positive values, the sign of inequality will not reverse it, without effect, will not affect. Okay, so you write this is as usual, 10 by 5. Simplify this one. 5 1 ja 5 1 going, 5 1 ja 5 2 ja left here. So the x is less than 2 will come. The x is less than 2 will come. Okay. Now coming to the next, first question from this one only. When x is an integer, where this is from rule 2 only. Okay. Okay. Come to the first question from this question only, where x is an integer. X is an integer, then the solutions of x are, see here, this complete integer is there, we have to take less than 2. The value of x here we have to take less than 2 in integer set. So the values of x are in integer set, we can write minus 3, so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. These are the solutions of x when x is an integer. By taking this statement, we can write the values of x. The value of x is coming less than 2. When you come into the number line, then we will be getting clearly. Yes, 1, 2, 3, so on, infinity, minus 1, minus 2, so on, minus infinity will be coming left side. Okay, the value of x is less than 2 is there. By seeing this one, the value of x is number line, means integer I am taking integer, not real numbers. So first of all keep in mind, as the value of okay, sorry for disturb. Okay, now yeah, I am writing the values of x here when x is an integer. Yes, integers value we can see here, the set of integers are minus values and zeros and positive values will be coming. Okay, so less than 2, the values of x is less than 2 is there here. So that's why up to positive 1 will be coming, the value of x when x is an integer. Okay, then we have to write in solution set the solution set of the given inequality, that is so on minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1. This is the required solution set for the first question. Okay, by taking this one statement only, we have to write the solutions of x when x is real number. For the second question, when x is a real number, in real number we can see all types of numbers. Decimal numbers also will come, fraction numbers will come, all negative numbers will come, positive numbers will come, integers, natural numbers, whole numbers, all numbers will be coming. Keep in mind. Okay, when x is a natural number, then how can we write? I will write directly in this the given x values in by using the intervals. Okay, by using the intervals here. When x is a real number, then the solution of, otherwise the solution set of, otherwise the solution of, then the solution of, then the solution is, okay, otherwise when x is a real number, then the solution is, you can write, then the solution is, by using the intervals we have to write, hence the solution is, hence otherwise when x is a real number, then the solution is, by using the intervals, the values of x will be coming, it is 0 1 2 3 so on, positive infinity, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 so on, minus infinity. The statement is, what is there? X is less than 2. We have to come nearest to 2. The value of x in real number will be coming 1.99999. Getting my point? The value of x will be coming from minus 1 to minus 1 0 1 1.99999. Getting my point? That's why I am writing the solution by using the intervals. There are 4 types of intervals will be coming. About these intervals, detail in the set chapter is there. In sets chapter is there. Okay. Now I am writing this solution in intervals. See here, the symbol is this like means the interval will be coming open interval on both sides. So here minus infinity and 2 will be coming. What stands this open interval means? Excluding the extreme values. Excluding the extreme values here. This stands for excluding the end values of this 2. Getting? In between values will be coming the x values. This is the way of writing when x is a real number. Okay, I hope that all of you understanding this one. I hope that all of you getting this one without any doubt. Now I am moving to the next one. Third question is over. Now come to fourth question. Solve 3x plus 8 is more than 2 is there. When similar question is there. When first one, when x is an integer. When x is an integer. Second one, x is a real number. X is a real number. Okay, x is a real number. Again we have to show the solutions of x by using the procedure of method of inequality. Okay, see here in the given question, on LHS side 2 terms are there, and RHS side again 1 terms is there. We have to remove first of all the constant of 8 by subtracting both sides by 8. Okay, then we will be getting that is 3x minus 6 will be coming. Then we have to remove the 3 coefficient of 3 for making the coefficient of positive 1. Again apply the rule here. Then up to getting the coefficient of x is positive 1, we have to use the rule here. After getting the coefficient of x is positive 1, then we can write the solutions of x here according to the inequality symbol. Okay, come to solution of this one. Given one, first of all I am writing here given, that is 3x plus 8 is greater than 2 is there. Yes, for removing the plus 8 we have to use the first rule. Equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from both sides of the inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. Please remember that rule. So I am writing here subtract both sides by 8. We get means both sides of the given inequality statement. Okay, now I am going to subtract it here. That is 3x plus 8 minus 8 without affecting the sign of inequality. I will repeat, where equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from both sides of the inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. Test 2 minus 8. Now simplify by the basic knowledge of mathematics. As 3x is keep as usual, plus 8 minus 8 becomes 0. That will be going, and simplify this one. 2 minus 8 will be having minus 6. As by the help of first rule, here the rule is applied first one. Okay. Now still we can't see the coefficient of x is positive 1. Here the coefficient of x is 3 is there. Until and unless getting up to the positive 1, we have to apply the rule. Getting my point? Yes, again we have to apply the second rule here. Okay, both sides, I am dividing here both sides by 3. Okay, divide both sides by 3, we get 3x with positive 3 I am dividing here, not negative 3, keep in mind, then the sign will be not reversed. Divide by positive, then the sign will be remain same, not reversed. Keep in mind that knowledge. Minus 6 by 3. Okay. Simplify. 3 will be going. Now we will be getting the coefficient of x is 1. I think its present 1 is there. I 3 1 3 2 6. So again we will be getting the minus 2. Yes. As like of the previous slide, but in that plus 2 is came. But here minus 2 is came here. the symbol is reverse is there. Okay, then how to write the values of x here when x is an integer and when x is a real number? Okay, let me explain it. When x is an integer, when x is an integer, then the solutions of x are, see here, this last statement of the inequality. What is the way of reading? What is the procedure of reading is this given statement? X is more than -2. X is more than -2. Yes, I will draw again the number line here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, first to infinity. This is -1, -2, so on up to -infinity will come here. Yes, in integer we can see only the 0 values, all counting negative values and positive counting numbers only in integer. Okay, here in the simplification, the least simplified statement of inequality is the x is more than -2. In integer, which one is more than the -2? Which one number value is more than -2? Obviously 100% definitely the -1 is more than -2. Okay, that's why we have to go towards the right side of the number line by using this one. More than -2 is -1 is more than what? -2. 0 is more than -2. 1 is more than -2. Up to, we can take the x values are up to infinity. More than -2 is there. That's why we have to write from -1 to infinity. Okay, right here. So on -1, 0, 1, 2 up to, sorry, -1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma so on infinity. Getting my point? The values of x when x is an integer, by using this statement we can write the values of x here, that is x is more than -2. The more than -2 is -1 in integer, more than -2 0 also, more than -2 1 also. Yes, you know that, very simple. Yes, now I am writing this one in solution set. Therefore the solution set of given inequality is, that is -1, 0, 1, 2, so on. This line we have to write up. Infinity also we can write. Okay, no problem. In this way also we can write. Okay, this is for the first question solution. Similarly, we have to solve the x is a real number. We have to write this solution by using the intervals only. Okay, now come to second question here, where x is a real number. Then the solution is, I am writing here directly. Then the solution is, here which one symbol is there? Greater than symbol is there. That's why you have to use the open interval both sides. Yes, so you have to write directly here. More than -2 is there, no? So we have to write -2 here and infinity this side. Both sides we have to write open interval symbol only. Again, what this means for? What is the meaning of this open interval? Excluding the, it is wrong, no? Yes, we have to write real number only. Yes, it is right only. Sorry. When x is a real number, then the solution is open interval -2 comma infinity. In this way, we have to write the solutions of given question. Okay. I hope that all of you getting this one very easily. Now I move to next question. For next coming questions are regarding the set of real number only. We have to express the solution in by using the intervals only. Yes, the main bit here, that is solve the inequalities in exercises that is 5 to 16 for real x. In this one, I am going to simplify the first one, that is fifth one. It is continuous number from the first bit. 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. Okay, we have to simplify this one by using the first and second rule. Okay. Yes, on LHS side two terms is there with one variable and one constant number is there, and also on RHS side also two terms is there with variable and one constant number is there. Which one term we have to remove from both sides? So I am going to simplify. First of all, I want to remove this 5x from the RHS side. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract both sides by -5x. Okay. First of all, I am removing the 5x from the RHS side. So I am going to subtract both sides by -5x. Then it will be going here. When you simplify, -5x plus 4x remains -x there. After completion of that one, see there which one we have to simplify, which one we have to remove, up to getting the coefficient of x is +1. Okay. Let me explain it now. As I am going to solution of this one, that is, I will write the given first of all, that is 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. I will not write words here, I will take directly here by using the first rule and second rule. So I am going to subtract both sides by -5x. Okay, subtracting here both sides by 5x, that is 4x plus 3 minus 5x is when we are going to subtract or add by the equal numbers on both sides of the inequality, the sign of inequality will not affect. As usual, we have to write the sign of inequality. Getting my point? Okay. 5x plus 7 minus 5x by using rule first one. Okay. Okay, simplify now the like terms. 4x plus 4x minus 5x, so become 1 minus x. Nothing means 1 is there. Minus 1x is present. So left 3 is here as usual, you write as usual, and the symbol is in this way is that we have to write again. Plus 5x minus 5x becomes 0. What left we have to write here, that is again 7 is there. Still you can't see this statement, the coefficient of x is in +1 form. Okay, the positive, and again here two terms left on LHS side. So then we have to remove this +3 from the LHS side. So what we do again here, we have to subtract again by -3. Okay. Again, I am going to subtract minus 3 on both sides. Minus x plus 3 minus 3. The sign will not alter, not reverse. Okay. 7 minus 3. Again, by using the rule first only. Okay. I will not write words in words. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, that like. I will not write now. I will write directly. Okay. Okay, now simplify the like terms. This is positive plus 3 and this is minus 3. It becomes 0. I simplify. Plus 7 minus 3. It means left here plus 4. See here on LHS side 1. For writing the values of x, we have to require the value of the coefficient of x is positive 1. But now here the negative is there. The coefficient of x is minus 1 is coming here. So that's why we have to convert that one in positive form. How? Yes, we have to multiply minus 1. We have to multiply or minus divide by minus 1 on both sides by using the second rule, where both sides of the given inequality, when we are going to divide or multiply by negative values, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. So if this side is more, this means when you divide or multiply by negative values, this more will be coming this side. Reverse will be coming the sign of this inequality. This is the important point. Okay, this is the remembering point is there. Yes. Okay, I will write here. What? Multiply by minus 1 on both sides. We get s minus x divided by minus 1. The sign will be reversed. 4 divided by minus 1. This minus will be going. So this, after simplification, that one we will have here. We will get here. That is x is more than minus 4. I hope that all of you getting this one. And for this question they asked x is real number here. Okay, I wrote already here. That is, when x is a real number, then the solution is. When they ask the x is real number, we have to use intervals only. We have to write the solution by using the intervals only. Okay. See here again. The value of x is more than minus 4 is there. More than minus 4. This side will be coming. This is minus 3. That is minus 4. So on up to minus infinity will be coming. So we have to go towards the RHS side. Okay. Towards right side. Okay. Then the value of x will be coming more than minus 2. Sorry, minus 4. Yes. Here real number is there. That's why the solution of this one will be coming by using the intervals minus 4 and infinity. We have to write by using the intervals symbols only. This is called the open interval form. What stand this one means? Excluding the extremes values are both ends values of x. Then the in between of minus 4 and infinity, the values of x is there. Okay, this is the way of doing the solution of the given question. We have to perfect first of all in the all numbers, that is natural numbers, integers, real numbers. Later on this we have to know the rules. There are two rules are there. One is, that is, equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from both sides of inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. The next one is, both sides of inequality we can multiply or divide by positive number, then the sign of inequality will not changes or not reversed. When when we are going to multiply or divided by a negative values, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. This is the very important rule when we are going to simplify such a this like problems. Getting my point? Okay, I am going to conclude today's class. I will discuss remaining questions in the next class. Take care.